this project can be downloaded on my Patreon page. See you there! After searching a tutorial on how to make a virtual reality game with Unity 21, I could not find a single video, so I decided to make my own. So here it is. I hope you like it, and if you do, please consider to like and subscribe, so I can continue to make tutorials like this. Let's open Unity Hub and create a new VR-based project. This will include the XR plugin. Switch the platform to Android. Go to Edit, Project Settings, XR Plugin Management, and activate Oculus Support. After that, let's add a pistol, a free pistol from the internet, to the right hand of our XR rig. I drag and drop it to the scene like this. Reduce the size a little bit. Rotate it. Okay, let's build in one. After this short time, we can see our pistol in the scene. Great! So now let's add the Oculus Integration package from Package Manager. Say import. Restart. Upgrade. Again restart. Save. Yeah, and now it's finally integrated. After that, let's deactivate the XR rig from the scene. Drag and drop the OVR Player Controller. And let's make a prefab out of this pistol, so we don't have to resize it and rotate it again. And drag and drop it to the right hand anchor of our OVR Player Controller. Yeah, nice. So now we have an OVR Player Controller. So let's now switch the tracking to floor level, build again, and yeah, test it. Yeah, great! Here it is, our OVR Player Controller with a nice gun. Awesome! After that, let's make a black material and drag it to our pistol. Let's create a cube and position it like this. So let's make this pistol double-sided. So our left hand has a pistol 2. Yeah, give it the black material also. Drag and drop. So now we have 2 pistols for each controller. And here we are. Yeah. Let's take this controller in our hand and yeah. Awesome. That's great. Pam, 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 pam. Pew, pew. Yeah, I'm the greatest. Yeah, nice. Very nice. So after that, let's create a C# script to move. Let's name it Move Controller. Open it in Visual Studio Code. Let's say transform position and add the delta time. New vector 3. And yeah, let's call it speed. Very original. And speed is 2 and float. Yeah, let's test that. Should be awesome, I'm sure. Add it to the OVR Player Controller. Yeah, let's color these cubes in red with a new material. And now let's play again. Build one. Awesome. So, this is a bit weird, it's in the wrong direction. So I guess we have to deactivate some script from the OVR Player Controller. So okay, let's do this. So let's deactivate the OVR Player Controller script. So we don't need it. We don't want to run around freely with our controller and something. So let's deactivate the whole script, so it doesn't come in conflict with our Move controller we just created. So now let's test again, and here we are! 2 pistols, and we can go out like this and bang, 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 pew! Awesome! Nice level. Very nice. Subscribe if you haven't, and turn the bell on, please. Yeah, that's a cool level. Oh no, there's the end of the level. No, we're falling, no! Ooh. Okay, let's add some sound effects if we are firing. That should be awesome. Let's make this script, but we don't want to play the sound file every time. We want to play it just if we hit the mouse button or the controller button. And yeah, here we are. Let's drag and drop the player shot to the OVR Player Controller and drag this sound file onto the player shot fire game object. Let's add an audio source and don't play it on awake. Yeah, now we can fire. That's awesome. Really awesome. Pistol awesome. This is something awesome. Yeah. Yeah, like and subscribe if you haven't. And see you in the next video. And this project can be downloaded on my Patreon page. See you there. Bye bye. Bye 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 bye.